Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Apple ID email address. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and unfortunately you can change your email from your iPhone settings, so you need to open up any web browser and then go to appleid.apple.com. Once you did that, scroll down for a bit and hit on Sign In. It will ask you to use your Face ID to be able to get access to that site, so actually to log into your current Apple ID, and then you can just hit right here where it says Apple ID, and then you will be taken to this page where you can change your Apple ID. Just hit at that text field and then enter new email address to use at your Apple ID. A verification code will be sent to this address. Once you did that, just hit at Done, and that's it. From now on, you will use the new email address to log into your Apple ID. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.